Hi everyone, I'm Akib. I'm going to share my research plus experience of failure in small business. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and must press the bell icon so you can get the notification of most useful videos for daily life. Here are the 10 reasons that can cause failure in your small business. Number 10. Not paying salary to employees on time. Keep in mind, employees are the most important pillars in running your small business. If you will not pay on time to your employees, they will lose interest in doing job. They will start coming late and find the reasons to go early, not doing job properly, and will not enjoy doing job with you. And the most dangerous thing that can do is stealing, because they are needy, so they are doing job, and to fulfill their needs they may steal. So keep enough amount before you start the business. Number 9. Location. It is the most important point for starting a business at such location where there is always rush of people, as they will see your shop or company and start coming to you. Number 8. Improper timing. If you do not set the proper timing of opening and closing, that can fail your business. You must open the shop at the time on which most people come to buy the products that you sell. Number 7. Consistency. Do not expect to be rich in 2-3 months. Small business start growing after 3 months. Then it will start paying you. In the start, if it goes in the break even, it is not less than America. Number 6. Many problems can happen in start, and many people will come to discourage you. But be confident and set the goals. Once you will be more successful for sure, but losing the confidence can fail you. Number 5. Losing customer trust. Keep in mind, in a start you need customers, not profit, the future of your business. So do not cheat the customers, be nice with them, they will bring more customers. If you fail in building customer trust, you will fail for sure. Number 4. Attractive offers. Attractive offers will pull the customers to you, bring new offers, and people will start coming to you. Number 3. Do not lie. Speak truth and build good relations. Once people know that you are not speaking truth, it will be their last time to your shop. Number 2. Nothing new. What is new that you are bringing? Why people should come to you? Bring something new. If your old-fashioned business style, no one is coming, unfortunately. Number 1. The most important point. Experienced staff. As you are a beginner, you must take some experienced people. There is no place in new business for you to make a single mistake that can shut your business. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, share, and must tell me how was the video. Did you learn something new from a video? If you want to know something more, please comment. I will help you. Thanks. Thank you very much.